so for today's video, I decided to feed in to LaurDIY's already way too high bank account, and I bought some of her bracelet making stuff from Joanne. Yeah, I kind of just wanted to like make some bracelets, so it's like I'm gonna make a review. These are the ones I chose. There was like a lot of options. It was really hard to choose. This one is like the unicorn bead mixed, and then this one is the alphabet bead mixed. She's probably made so much money off of these. Oh my god. I also didn't buy her string because she already has way too much money, so I just bought regular string. Okay, I'll start making some bracelets. I bought the alphabet ones because I really wanted to like spell stuff. Not intended for children under 15. You're telling me a 13-year-old kid can't make a bracelet? I'm probably the only one over 15 that bought these. This is not going great. Okay, I really hope this is enough string because I feel like these things run out so fast. Bracelet making is hard. I'm making a necklace. Okay, so I'm done with the first item. I don't know if you can tell it's out of focus, but it says Noah Cinetino. I'll try to get it in focus. Okay, to be honest, the kissing booth was better. I know everyone hated the kissing booth. I thought that his name would be too long to use as a bracelet, but it wouldn't have. It's my bracelet. It's my Noah Cinetino bracelet. But here we are. I would actually try to make something that's like actually cute. Like these beads are actually like really cute. So my review of these like packages or whatever is that they're actually like good beads. They are like kind of pricey though. Like if they didn't have LaurDIY's name on it, they'd be for like half the price. Here is my second bracelet. This is the one I try to like make cute. Honestly, it still doesn't look like cute. I thought it was gonna look cute, but yeah, I really like the star bead. I like the sparkly ones. I might like try to like collect all the sparkly ones and just make a bracelet out of it. I'm gonna try to do some like more like word ones, and I try to make a horse girl energy because I don't know. Okay, I've got my beads picked out for horse girl energy and JoJo Siwa. That one popped into my head while I was picking out the ones for horse girl energy. Oh my god, this thing's so annoying. Okay, here are my next ones. Where's the JoJo Siwa one? I'm gonna JoJo Siwa one. Here it is, JoJo Siwa, and then that's the horse girl energy. It's upside down. Okay, whatever. I feel like this is a really boring video. Like if you're still on here, I don't know why. I mean, I think these would be, you know, they're cute beads. I don't think this necessarily looks like great, but like I don't think anything I've ever made with beads looked like great anyways. Fact that they think that you have to be 15 to use this. Like literally 9th graders can't use it. Do you actually think that people who are like 13 can't like put beads on a string? Like what? I think that's all I have to say. Thank you for watching if you did. Thank you for still being clicked on the video if you are clicked on the video right now. Follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I add every single person back, and my goal of the year is to hit 20,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to help me get there. I think that's all I have to say, so goodbye!